Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of image to text conversion using image to text.io. First, head over to imagetext.io website in your browser. You shall see a straightforward interface where you can upload your image file. Next, choose the image you want to convert. It could be a scanned document, a photo of a text, or even a screenshot. After uploading, image to text.io will process the image and extract the text for you. You shall have an option to copy extracted text and download. Simply download the text file to your computer. It's that simple. And there you have it. Image.text.io is a powerful tool for anyone needing to convert images to text quickly and accurately. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.